Welcome back to Stomper Hiking Channel. Yo! We're just leaving his base camp. It's a beauty, is this. There's a little baby camper, there's kitchen, fire pit, caveman seats, lovely river to swim in the morning, freshen yourself up after plenty of beers. So today we're in the Eskdale Valley and we're going to head up onto yonder hills up there. They're not the biggest of hills. The one we're going up, it's near Little Bleetarn. It's just over 300 metres, but the views it provides are sublime. Oh, it's beautiful around here, especially when the sun is shining. Can you see his camp down there? Look. It's about as wild as you get before it's really wild. It's not the most ideal weather to be carrying a big lump of lead on your back. Deb's bag's that light, it's probably aiding her. It's like a helium balloon compared to mine.
Has that sun just suddenly got hotter?
Yep. That's why I've got plenty of beer to cool myself down. And if it's proper hot, I might even doff off and get in the tarn. But just look how beautiful it is round here. Beauty, that miniature train. I want to go on it. We've got to cross that train line down here.
Is the train that goes upside a hill?
Yeah, like Mount Snowdon. Be alright, wouldn't it?
Got a couple of Sherpas.
So as you approach this hotel in Dalegarth, what is it? Stanley House. Cross over the little baby railway line and we're heading up that till. And it's going to be an absolute burner. That what a horrible day. Touching 100 degrees. Hungover. So we're just getting to the top. That has been really hard work in this sun. It's red hot. But look at this. You're rewarded with a beautiful view of Bleetarn. Oh. Not the Langdale Bleetarn, the Eskdale Bleetarn. I mean, how nice is that? I could just run and jump in there with all my clothes on right now with a beer. Stunning. And we're pitching up on this crag. So we'll get up there and bring you back once the tent's up. Right, so we're all pitched up. Let's get his beds chucked in before the midges decide it's a nice shady place for them to sleep for the night. So we've got us camper van windscreen, heat deflector, that is ace. Crappy format, cheap as you like, about £2. This is the Vango Aero Compact self-inflating mat. Love that. Use that for my hammock as well, it's a beauty. And chuck the sleeping bag in and then we're set. Get it zipped up and hopefully no midges will move in. So sleeping bag. Tonight we're using the OEX Evolution Fathom EV400. It says it's a 4-season tent, but it ain't. So I went out in snow in Jan, Feb up Sheffield Pike and it was absolutely freezing. And that were about 20 layers of clothes on. But for this out above 10 degrees, it's a belter. It is really comfy, but why do they make them out of this ultra shiny, slippy material? There we go, nice and cosy. I bet it's going to be too hot tonight in here. Yeah, these are really good pillows, the Trekology, so about 3 or 4 puffs. Beauty, like if it's too hard, look, the air don't come back out either. So if it's too hard, you just go, make it as soft as you want. That clicks in, there's your elastic bit to hook around your bag, but yeah, beauty, I'll look that round later. Time for the beer. Yeah. You can actually see the Isle of Man over there. I don't know if you can make out one here. You've got White Pike, Ulfa Fell, Green Crag, Heart of Fell, Grey Friar, the Scaffold Range. How beautiful. Ilgill Head, just over that is Wastwater. You've got Bleat Arm down here. Such a peaceful night. Got a nice bit of breeze to stop them horrible midges. It's a decent pitch, is that. We've scouted round all here and this is the flattest place. I've got my big dopey Vango Banshee 300. I like my space. But time for a beer. Cheers, if you can call it beer. Piss. Right, so we're just catching the last remnants of the sunlight, having a few beers. Oh, look at that view. The finest cuisine. Good morning. I've had about 4 hours kip. Not the best, not the worst. Got up for this. I'll get some decent pictures of it. I'm going to get a brew on. A black one, because we forgot milk. No! Oh, it's going to be a lovely day today. Moon's still out. Don't know if you can make that out up there. The sky's still red over Sellafield. Radioactive. We'll bring you back after a brew. Cheers. Not normally a fan of black coffee, but that doesn't taste too bad. Tesco instant oats, golden syrup flavour, well nice. All packed up and ready to go. Go get some bacon, eggs, sausage, tomatoes on cook. But this is where I camped. That's where Debs were. As always, leave no trace. It's easy carrying these cans back down and up, I tell you. Well, I'm carrying them down out of in my belly. Trying to escape before the midges get us. New favourite railway station. Look at it. It's teeny. Let's see what this note says. This isn't our car. Someone ain't happy.